Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. So today's tool review is something I've been looking for quite some time. Today we are going to combine Milwaukee PACKOUT with Klein MODBOX. I have been in Milwaukee PACKOUT well before MODBOX was even a thing, but if you've watched very many of my videos, you've probably seen this single drawer along with the rolling box sitting over here in the corner. I've had those, I've done a review for them, but I haven't quite been able to use them in my work because I have so much other Milwaukee PACKOUT. That's what's in my truck, so that's what works for me. Well, today I'm going to look at something from Lipich Engineering. I picked it up off Etsy for 50 bucks. It's going to allow you to combine your Klein MODBOX up into Milwaukee PACKOUT. That's going to work great for me because in the back of my truck, I keep the Milwaukee rolling box. I keep a lot of big tools inside of there that I don't need very often, but in order to get to those, I have to take my Milwaukee vacuum along with my ammo can with all my drywall tools in it off just to get to those tools. But now, since I don't really need the rolling box, I can use my Klein MODBOX drawer. I'm going to take these organizers off here. Here's that plate from Lipich Engineering. I'll show you how to install it in just a minute. But now I can take my Milwaukee ammo can drywall tools, slide that on, take my Milwaukee PACKOUT vacuum, slide that on, and now if I need to get to my bigger tools, I no longer have to take these off. I can open this drawer, and there's my nail gun, my sawzall, my mixing drill, anything else that's big that I want to put in there. I'll no longer have to take these on and off to access those tools. So again, it's basically a plate that you can now connect your Klein MODBOX to Milwaukee PACKOUT. It's not from Milwaukee PACKOUT to Klein, it's from Klein to Milwaukee. But maybe you're like me, have tons of Milwaukee organizers like I do, but you like some of the stuff that Klein has to offer. You know, the fact that you can put your mod boxes on the side of there, your MODBOX pouches. Klein has this single drawer. Milwaukee doesn't offer that. You know, for $139, you can get a single drawer unit like this. They've also got a wire spool unit for $130. So if you are an electrician, you pull wire all the time, maybe you'd like to have that box, but you're in Milwaukee as far as your organizers, you can now marry those two together. The biggest thing I would say would be, if you've been waiting around for Milwaukee to come out with the rolling drawer box, yes, it's coming. When, we don't know for sure. It's supposed to be January. They keep saying it over and over again, but I've also heard the price is going to be $249. I've heard up to $279. Who knows what it's going to cost. Right now, you can get the rolling box with a drawer from Klein for $139. Buy the $50 plate, you're at $190, and you can have it today. You don't have to wait. It's a little bit cheaper. And again, it's an option that you can have 2 days. So again, just a plate that basically connects the two. Let me go ahead and put it together. I'll take this all apart. I'll take it back off. I'll show you how easy it is to install. And then again, you can decide for yourself if it's something you need to pick up. So it's going to basically come in two pieces. You have a left and a right. These tabs right here will fit into these slots and slide back. That's what locks it in. This right here is what keeps the spacing correct. And then you have this piece along with these screws. This fits down inside of this track right here. That's going to allow you, once you slide this in, we'll now push this in to line up this with the screw holes inside of there. We'll just keep doing that till I can see them, which is right about there. Now we're going to take the two screws, drop that into place. So again, you're not modding your MODBOX in any way. You're not doing anything that would void a warranty or anything like that. This is an 1/8 inch hex key. We're going to tighten that up in there. Probably wouldn't want to use an impact or anything. You're just going to want to snug it up. Get the second one in place. Tighten that up, snug that up. So what those do now is it cannot come forward, it cannot come out. Again, the spacing is connected by these two, and then those bars is what keeps it from coming out of the MODBOX. Very simple, very easy to install. So yeah, guys, it's again a plate from Lipich Engineering on Etsy, $46 and something right now, on sale to the end of the year. I don't know what the regular price will be. So again, it's just basically for somebody who wants to go to Klein, that wants to move over, swap up, go to Milwaukee, whether you're transitioning to stuff like this, like I am, the vacuum and my ammo can, or you're going to organizers. Hopefully it's a good fit for you. I've been looking for something like this. I want to thank them for coming out with it. I'm glad I found it, was able to buy it. This is going to work phenomenal for me in my truck. It might work well for you too. So I'm just sharing it with you. Hope it's useful. Stay safe. Have a blessed day. And I'll see you on the next video.